Welcome back to the Future Lab, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of self-driving laboratories, a topic that's been making waves in the scientific community. We'll be exploring the groundbreaking review paper, Self-Driving Laboratories for Chemistry and Materials Science, by Gary Tom and his colleagues. This paper really shines a light on how machines and algorithms are accelerating scientific discovery in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. So, what exactly are self-driving laboratories, or SDLs as they're often called? In essence, they're automated systems that can design, execute, and analyze scientific experiments with minimal human intervention. Think robots, AI, and sophisticated software all working together to push the boundaries of scientific research. The paper highlights several key technologies that make SDLs possible. We're talking about advanced robotics for precise manipulation of materials, sophisticated AI algorithms for experiment design and data analysis, and powerful machine learning models for identifying patterns and making predictions. It's a truly impressive blend of engineering and artificial intelligence. One of the most exciting aspects of SDLs is their potential to revolutionize various scientific fields. The authors discuss applications in chemistry, materials science, drug discovery, you name it. Imagine AI designing new materials with superior properties, or automating the process of synthesizing complex molecules for pharmaceutical development. The possibilities are truly limitless, but it's not all smooth sailing. The paper also acknowledges the significant challenges facing the widespread adoption of SDLs. There are hurdles related to data management, algorithm reliability, and the need for robust safety protocols. Ensuring the reproducibility and trustworthiness of results generated by these automated systems is also paramount. These are all important questions that need to be addressed moving forward. Looking ahead, the future of SDLs seems incredibly bright. As the technologies continue to advance and mature, we can expect even more sophisticated and autonomous systems to emerge. The potential impact on scientific discovery, technological innovation, and even economic growth is substantial. This is a field to watch closely, folks. In the next segment, we'll be diving even deeper into the specific technical details of the paper. Stay tuned. Picking up where we left off, let's delve into the nuts and bolts of these self-driving labs. The paper introduces a really interesting classification system for SDLs, categorizing them based on their level of autonomy. This isn't just about throwing robots into a lab, it's about a nuanced understanding of how much control the AI has over both the planning of experiments and the actual execution. What's particularly insightful is how they separate software autonomy, the AI's ability to design experiments, from hardware autonomy, the robot's ability to actually carry out those experiments. This distinction highlights that you can have a very sophisticated AI planning amazing experiments, but if the robots aren't up to the task, the whole system falls short. It's a really important point. This classification system allows researchers to compare different SDLs in a structured way, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. It also helps in identifying areas where future research and development are needed to push the boundaries of SDL technology. It really provides a roadmap for the field. And the applications, as the paper emphasizes, are incredibly diverse. We're not just talking about incremental improvements, we're talking about accelerating breakthroughs in areas like drug discovery and the development of sustainable materials. Imagine the impact on global challenges if we can significantly speed up the research process in these critical areas. The authors also emphasize that this isn't just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we approach scientific research. SDLs have the potential to democratize science by making advanced research techniques more accessible. This is a powerful statement, and one of the reasons why this paper is so significant. But before we get carried away, it's crucial to acknowledge that significant challenges remain. The paper carefully addresses limitations, such as the need for robust safety protocols and the ongoing need for human oversight. It's not about replacing scientists, it's about empowering them with powerful new tools to accelerate their work. And that sets the stage nicely for our next segment, where we'll discuss some of the key challenges and future directions in the field of self-driving labs. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how these self-driving labs actually work. The paper provides a fascinating look at both the hardware and software components that make them tick. On the hardware side, we're talking about everything from specialized robots designed for specific lab tasks to more general-purpose robots that can be adapted to various experiments. One really interesting aspect is the discussion of open-source robotics platforms. This is crucial because it promotes collaboration and allows researchers to build upon each other's work, accelerating the development of new technologies. It also makes the technology more accessible to researchers around the world. But it's not just about the robots themselves, it's also about the sophisticated software that orchestrates everything. The paper dives into the complexities of managing experiments, analyzing data, and making decisions based on the results. We're talking about algorithms like Bayesian optimization, genetic algorithms, and reinforcement learning, powerful tools that allow the AI to learn and adapt. The authors also touch upon the crucial role of computer vision in these systems. Robots need to see what they're doing to accurately manipulate materials and avoid accidents. The paper delves into the challenges and innovations in developing robust and reliable computer vision systems for laboratory environments. And let's not forget about safety. The paper stresses the vital importance of incorporating safety protocols into the design of SDLs. This is not something to be taken lightly, given that we're talking about automated systems handling potentially hazardous chemicals and materials. Robust safety mechanisms are absolutely essential. A key takeaway is the 5-level autonomy classification system. It mirrors the levels of autonomy in self-driving cars, offering a standardized framework for evaluating the progress in the field. While Level 4 SDLs are starting to appear, a truly autonomous Level 5 system remains a significant challenge. It shows that we're still on a journey, but that we're making significant strides. This detailed analysis of both the hardware and software aspects of SDLs provides a comprehensive understanding of the current state of the technology, highlighting both its potential and its limitations. This naturally leads us to the next segment, where we'll discuss the future prospects and potential challenges facing the field of self-driving laboratories. Let's talk about the bigger picture here. The implications of this research are truly transformative. The potential benefits of self-driving labs extend far beyond simply automating tasks in the lab. In drug discovery, for example, SDLs could revolutionize the process. Developing new drugs is incredibly expensive and time-consuming. SDLs could significantly accelerate the process by automating high-throughput screening and optimization, potentially leading to faster development of life-saving medications. And it's not just limited to pharmaceuticals. In materials science, the potential is equally exciting. Imagine designing and testing new materials for sustainable technologies like batteries and solar cells at a vastly accelerated pace. This could lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy and other critical areas. What's really powerful is that by automating the repetitive and often tedious tasks, SDLs free up human scientists to focus on what they do best: creative problem solving, hypothesis generation, and interpretation of complex data. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. The author's contribution in developing a standardized classification system for SDLs is incredibly important. It provides a framework for benchmarking progress across different research groups and identifying priorities for future development. This sort of standardization is crucial for a rapidly evolving field like this. Ultimately, this research points towards a future where scientific discovery is not only faster and more efficient but also more accessible. It's a future where technology empowers scientists to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our world, from climate change to disease. And that's a truly inspiring prospect. Before we wrap up, I want to reiterate the importance of the challenges that lie ahead. Scaling up these technologies, ensuring safety, and addressing ethical considerations are all vital aspects that must be considered as we move forward. In our final segment, we'll discuss these challenges and the future directions for this fascinating field. Stay tuned. So, to wrap things up, this review paper on self-driving labs offers a really compelling vision for the future of scientific research. The authors have not only provided a comprehensive overview of the current state of the technology but also laid out a clear roadmap for future development. The classification system they propose is a particularly valuable contribution. It provides a much-needed framework for comparing different SDL systems and tracking progress in the field. This standardization is vital for fostering collaboration and accelerating innovation. While the potential of SDLs is immense, it's equally important to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. The authors rightly point out the need for more standardized software interfaces and more advanced AI algorithms capable of tackling more open-ended scientific problems. These are areas where future research and development will be crucial, but the overall message is undeniably positive. The accelerating adoption of SDLs has the potential to transform the way we approach scientific research and engineering, accelerating breakthroughs in various fields and helping to address some of the most pressing global challenges we face. The paper's detailed analysis, clear framework, and forward-looking perspective make it an essential read for anyone interested in the future of science and technology. It's a testament to the power of interdisciplinary collaboration and the transformative potential of AI in scientific discovery. And that's all the time we have for today's episode of the Future Lab. We've explored the exciting world of self-driving laboratories, delving into their technologies, applications, and challenges. Join us next time as we explore another cutting-edge area of automated science. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for listening.